of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
My granddaddy's buried here. Can we find out if anything happened to him?
I think we just picked up Dracula.
Where you headed, man?
Oh, what are you doing to yourself? Oh, my God! How can you do that?
Everybody out. Hurry up so we get home.
Here comes somebody. How are you?
Don't you think you...
Hey, you think this place has room service? Lute's the closest place to get gas.
We're going out to Grandpa's place, aren't we? Let's go. Well, there's a creek. You could go swimming.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on, Sally. We're going out to Grandpa's place.
Let's go.
Hey, that...
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Look out. Wait, this straight. Come on. Hey, come on.
I'll get the...
I don't see that smear that guy made.
Gasoline. I can leave him my guitar, you know, give him a couple bucks. We gotta come back by here anyway. I can pick up my guitar and give him a couple more dollars and bring him back some gas.
They don't want your guitar. They're not going to want to sell us any gas. Let's just go back now.
Hey, come here. Come here, look at this.
Franklin.
It probably doesn't mean anything, huh?
You worry too much.
Well, he couldn't find us anyway. I mean, he doesn't even know our names.
I gave him your name, Franklin. I told him where you live. I even gave...
Are you mad at me?
No.
You really didn't want me to come, did you?